Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Okay, what was I listening to here? You get a headache with that type of music? Oh, that's annoying. Is it not connected? You love the music? Green Day? Let's go, Chris. Well done. Short-term retest, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Doesn't want to play. My music doesn't want to play, Gary. Green Day, let's go, Andrew. Well done. Good morning, CM. Ayo. I saw your message, CM. Let me try turning this off and back on. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Dan. Hello, hello. Good morning, Will, Virus, and Rust. Lizzie, good morning. Luna, good morning. Gary, good afternoon. Richard, good morning. TK, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Tesh. Afternoon. Joe, good morning. Ayo, Seven, good morning. James, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Jericho. Next Gen, good morning. Good morning, guys. But you don't have the access to see anything. That's because you haven't followed the steps. Come, no one wants to follow the steps, guys. Well, again, we can't listen to that music, so otherwise we would. His vibes, you know. Virus is gonna say, "Why are you, Virus? Why are you?" We get to listen to beats, you know. Silliness. That's why the music doesn't want to play too fruity. Don't bring Dan into this. No. Good morning, Amanda. Good morning, Dustin. Good morning, Sam. Good morning. What's up, Robert? Christian. Good morning. Carry on. Good morning. Mac. Good morning. Prasanna. Good morning. Which one is the best to buy now? Discord membership. Mike. Good morning. Ayo, Mike. Samuel. Good morning. SP. Good morning. uh, Rob. Funny. Funny, funny, funny. Okay. Good morning, Azul. Hello. Bunny, good morning. Nikolai. Hello, hello. Good morning. Already in it. Anyways, so I I can't pronounce you. I can't remember your name. I'm trying to remember, but you have to follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Is what you have to do. Alrighty, please. If you want to, if you got a membership already and you can't see the channels, you don't have access. It's because you have to follow those instructions. LYT looks like it's curling up the bottom here. So let's hope we can stay above 240-ish. Yeah, 250-ish. Yeah, 240, 250 already. There's a massive supply zone at the top. Obviously, that's going to be a problem. We have 7 minutes before the market opens, guys. Just a quick refresh at the top gainers list while the S&P is crushing like a. Wait, what is that? Don't really care for that. Can you get rid of this? Unbelievable. Sometimes these people do too much, you know. I don't really care for the website. I just want to look at the top gainers. That's it. So most of these names are names that you guys have played with already in Discord. So I just wanted to see if there was anything that's new, and there really isn't, right? So MYSZ has been cooking. I woke up early this morning and I saw you guys cooking this name, right? LYT, another one that's ran in the later parts of after hours of pre-market. So same thing with HSDT, right? So we've looked at all these names already. The names at the bottom though, AEMD and ISPC, those ones are getting a bit of attention because monkeypox or bird flu doesn't want to go away, right? I think there was another city with another outbreak. So then, these names are kind of coming back to life. So we'll keep an eye on these names. If they can break out, maybe we can come back and play with them. But yeah, AEMD and ISPC, those would be the top two for me when it comes to bird flu. And then we go from there. But another 1% almost gap down day for the S&P guys. This thing needs to behave because we don't have any more monies to be buying dips. We just need to start behaving now. So SPY dip skis, Bitcoin dip skied all the way to 91, and then came back to 95. So it looks like Santa is not coming this year, huh? But we'll see. Maybe next week. Maybe Santa's gonna show up. Monday, Tuesday. Again, keep in mind the 25th is obviously a holiday, but the market closes early the day before and early the day after. Alrighty, so just keep that in mind. Um, keep that in mind. Alrighty, so. Yeah, so Monday should be a full day, and then we close early, usually 1 p.m. Eastern time, right? 1 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. Then we're closed on Wednesday because it's Christmas, and then we close early as well on Thursday, the 26th. Alrighty, so keep that in mind. And then Friday I think we're completely open. But I don't really. It might just be a really low volume week as well, just because it's a holiday week, right? So just keep all of that in mind, and then go from there. Again, we have 4 minutes before the market opens. Let me read your comments again. Uh, Breakout King, I know, right? You have one job today, and it's to make the market rebound. Three, two, one, go. Okay, sounds good. I mean, we're rebounding already. Look at this drop. Today we go from we open low, close high, open low, and cook. Exactly. That's what happens. We open low, we go all day. We've hit the bottom. You heard it here first. CM already met the daily goal, right? With NVNI swing 435 to 720 back in a 420. Beautiful. That thing's been an absolute monster. So congratulations, CM. And then yeah, today's the witching day too, right? So a whole bunch of options expiring, right? So today, especially with the S&P and the larger caps, you're gonna get a lot of volatility. So honestly, Jericho, for you especially, like if you've hit your goal already in the large caps, just relax a bit because it's gonna be up and down like a crazy crackhead. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, John. Archer. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I I hope Santa pumps wrist masks. Yeah, probably just crypto since the stonks don't want to pump. Question for you guys in the chat though: what's your favorite stonk going into the open? Kimbella, good morning. What's your favorite stonk? So again, my size we like. It's still consolidating, guys. Right. So that 540 is holding up really well. LYT is kind of the same thing. $2.40 holding up as well. So those two are looking good. HSDT is still holding the 200 EMA, so we don't mind that as well. Right. And then there's a whole bunch of other names like NVNI. That still looks okay. It's coming back for a retest. And then we have the monkeypox. I keep calling it monkeypox, but it's bird flu. Right. So ISPC and AEMD, and then we're going to be watching the S&P and Bitcoin, right? So we have a few names to look at. I'm sure as the day goes on, though, we're going to have names like PBM and Zcar and QUBT, but we'll look at those names as the day goes on. TAOP as well, right? So there's a whole bunch of names. A whole bunch of names that we're going to be paying attention to, but going into the open, we have we have the list already to look at. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. So you don't have to do it anymore. Just smash a like nice and early on. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Again, if you're not a member yet, Monday might be our last day on YouTube's till past the new year, right? So we're still gonna be in Discord cooking though. Nothing's gonna change. So if you're not a member yet, Amanda, come join us. John, come join us. Alrighty? Because you might not see us till after the first week of January. Because again, yeah, because we're just gonna cook in Discord instead already. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let's go, Jameson. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Dang, Jameson, you missed out on some of those crazy runs. Dang. Yeah. So I asked you guys earlier what your favorite name was, and it looks like it's my size and lit, right? So human for you, okay? Yeah. So my size and lit, those are your favorite stocks going into the open. These have also been the best two in pre-market for the most part, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, exactly, John. Sitting at the 200, Andrew. Okay, yeah, take a look. Still kind of like these two. I almost don't want to even watch the S&P. Rob, this is your chance to buy the dip. If you don't buy the dip after today, I'm gonna come find you. Okay, there we go, guys. Markets open. Are you ready for chaos? Are you ready for chaos? So these two names just kind of seem like they're trying to decide what they want to do for now. NVNI is just an absolute monster. That thing just bounces off like the 200 like it's nothing, right? Just be mindful, just in case it's a double top there, though. CM, it doesn't look like it is, right? So that looks really good. My goodness, sheesh. This stock ran 1,000% yesterday, by the way, and then came back down, right? And it wants to cook again today. So that was some beautiful like retest at the 200 and the 50, and then consolidated and then popped. That whole thing is covered in red, but my goodness, does it look good? I will find you, Rob. Send me your money, I'll buy it for you, and then just pretend that. So there goes $6.70. LYT is still holding the bottom section there, so that's good, right? That 240 is still holding. I would still give it a bit of time to see if it consolidates above $3 if you're looking for an entry. My size is getting slapped, right? Market open and slapped. So I mean, we do have a demand zone at $4.40. So let's see if my size can stay above 440 already. So again, that demand zone was from if you look to the left hand side, the last time my size was dipping, it bounced off this demand zone. So let's see if we can do it again. It looks like it's doing it already, right? So 440 to 480. So that looks good. That looks good. And then HSDT, right? HSDT is doing the exact same thing, coming off the bottom as well, right? So demand zone 200 EMA, pop, 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 right? Pop, 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 pop. So that thing just ran up 20-25% just like that. I bet you they're gonna halt it, and it looks like they're halting it. Nice, 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 nice. I like it. I like it. There you go. So that one's halted. My size again, watch that 440. Let's see if we can consolidate above that level. Lit is retesting, so let's see if Lit can stay above $2.40 as well. Alrighty. So just again, market's been open for 2 minutes, guys. Give it a second, right? Let it consolidate. ISPC isn't doing anything. AEMD isn't doing much either, right? So watch for AEMD though. Watch 50 cents. Watch 50 cents. Let's see if we can consolidate above 50 cents for AEMD. Alrighty, and then obviously again, like we mentioned earlier, that looks like a double top for NVNI monster though, but that looks like a double top for now. And then watch that 200. I wouldn't touch that thing until you see it curling, just because that's the first dip after the markets opened. Ayo, Aussie goats, the Aussie goat himself, Ayo Grim. And then yeah, HSDT still halted up there. Alrighty. So LYT still holding that 240 at the bottom. It looks like it's trying to curl up that level, so that's a good thing. And then my size is also holding that demand zone. So double bottom, right? At $4.40, and here goes $5. So that's a pretty nice pop of the demand zone, especially on that third candle there, right? There goes 520. So yeah, very nice. The S&P is bouncing, Bitcoin's bouncing a little bit. So again, not bad, not bad at all. Can you so 520 is your next resistance, just like it usually is. I'm doing good, Grim. How are you? There goes $5.30, guys. That was perfect off the bottom there. If you bought the dip in my size, type in yes. Jameson, what's your position in LAES? Yeah, I think they were trying to pump that name this morning. Pompeats, Pompeats. Do, 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 do. Should we watch it? I mean, we were watching it since before the open, right? Made by God podcast. We were, right? So should you watch it? Sure, right? A better entry would have been closer to $1, right? Now you have a double top at $1.30. So, so let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Yeah, popping TAOP. Yeah, still kind of keeping an eye on these bird flu names. See, Grim. Let's see if they actually do pop. There goes my size, guys. Yeah, Jack, you got in. Beautiful. Congratulations. Right. Again, beautiful dip to the demand zone. Right, double bottom. And the good thing is that again, with names like this, you can also see the view up at the bottom. Right, you see the view up at the bottom. Right, so in the demand zone, which is a good thing. But you never have to buy that initial candle, right? Always give it the second, the third candle to make sure that it's holding it, and then you make your decision. And if you did that, you were still okay, right? If you did that, you're still okay. So from $4.50 all the way to almost $6, that's a pretty nice run. Stop loss was a stop loss rate? Not necessarily, because again, you shouldn't be jumping into that thing at the open anyways. Let it consolidate a little bit. Uh, you know what I mean, King? Alrighty. And then HSDT still halted, and it looks like NVNI just halted down now, right? So like I said earlier, give when it's dropping like this, especially when it's the first drop at the open, make sure you give it time to consolidate. Otherwise, you catch a knife and it just keeps dropping. Jameson, I'm staying away from that thing, please. I'm staying away. It didn't let you buy my size. Yeah, that's annoying. Dang, yeah, I can see a TAOP popping. So is Huma. There are a whole bunch of names popping. The pops. Interesting. Let me pull up TAOP here. That's a nice little run. 130%. And then Huma. W key has a bit of momentum too, but TAOP. Not bad. Did I get it? No, I have to go. I have to go get it on Tuesday. PLK. Well, I have to drive 3 hours to go get it though. That's the downside, which is a bit ridiculous. But what can I do? LYT guys, again, that's in support at 240, still holding for now already. So building a nice solid demand zone there, and then my size is halted up now. I know, Joe. Like it's ridiculous, honestly. Like it's beyond ridiculous. My size is halted up. Are you still in that position, Jack? I hope you are, because that's a pretty nice entry. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. That was a pretty nice test at the open. Hopefully, some of these other names can follow. HSDT is on halted, guys, and it's cooking there. So Grim is up 40% on that play now. Grim, looking good, looking good, looking good. HSDT. So I'd be careful the closer we get to 150, though. Right, the usual psychological wall there. But yeah, looking good, Grim, looking good. Red to green and up 4.3% as usual. Yeah, that one keeps coming back. Keeps coming back. Yeah, let's see what else we like here. Uh-oh. Yeah, looks like they just halted that thing back down. You took most of it at 141. Yeah, good. Good, 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 good. Looks like LYT is halted down now too. Broke below that bottom and said, thanks, I'm done with this. Yes, you did. There goes BTC with the bounce, and the S&P also bouncing. So that's good at least, right? So yeah, yeah. So we open low. We just need to cook from here on out. We don't need to stop. Uh, yeah, yeah. Thanks for coming, Amit. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. So there goes the S&P, really bouncing there. My goodness. Yeah, that's a pretty good bounce. I hope you're long, Joe. Dang. I mean, hopefully, Jamieson bought some QQQ calls or something. Jamieson, go, 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 go. 37. I like it. Well done. Yeah, that's probably the right exit, right below 585 too. Virus, yes. Yes, yes. Some people are just clowns, honestly. Just clowns. Looks like TAOP is coming back too. NVNI, yeah, yes and no. It needs to get back above $5 and then give you a close candle, Spencer. Get back above $5, back above that 200 EMA, right? You don't want these candles starting, closing below the 200 EMA, and then all of a sudden you have a new low. So we need to get back above that, just because again that's the same level that it initially bounced from and then popped. So you wanted to get above those two lines because sometimes they play right below and then end up crashing again. TNXP, send it, TNXP. Interesting. Yeah, let me pull up more charts here. And UKK. Yeah, that thing is down 28%. What are you looking for though? Are you looking to get in? Does kind of look like it's holding 36 here though. Like, are you interested in getting in? Let me pull up TNXP. Oh, yeah, okay, you're looking to get in. Wasn't TNXP the that position Luna from 70? Is that the same one? Oh, if it is, then well done. If it is, good. Yeah, it looks like it has support at 36, and it's already pumping from that level. Oh my goodness, yeah, there goes 40, 40. Yeah, there goes 40. They were waiting for you to look at it, and then they're like, leave him behind, leave him behind. Yeah, it would have been nice if you looked at this closer to 36 because it already popped now back to 41. Yeah, are you gonna get rid of it? At 60, are you gonna get rid of it, Luna? Or are you just gonna keep it for now? My size is unhalted, guys, and looks like that thing hit the bottom at the open there and it's gone now. So unhalted and cooking. Well done, Luna. Good. Good. A rep. Okay. A rep. There's so many names, Grim. My goodness, so many names. And W key is also looking good. Yeah, the volatility really is insane. I mean, at the very least, it gives you a whole bunch of options to play with. Exactly, Grim. Right? At the very least, it gives you a whole bunch of options. You have whatever you want to play with, you can play with it. So that's the one positive because next week we're going to be looking for 50% gainers, and we're going to be looking with the microscope. Like, what is it? I hope not. At the very least, hopefully Monday is fun, and then we can kind of slow down from there. And then go into the holiday. La 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 la. Let's see. It looks like LYT is on halted now. If you're interested in this, again, give it time to consolidate because it's still breaking down below the 200. Don't go rushing in. Don't go rushing in unless they can find a way to stay above this 190 candle, and then maybe. But so if I was interested, I would wait for that thing to reclaim that 200, unless it dipped way lower than that. Yeah, there goes brand new lows, right? So just be careful when you're trying to catch a knife and stuff like this. Always give it a second to consolidate, right? Even if you're interested in the 200, at least wait for a candle that gives you a higher low. Because if you just catch it and it's dropping like this, and there's this much selling pressure, you're going to end up getting entat, right? So same thing with the 200, the demand zone, the VWAP, anything you're looking to get into. Always make sure that when it gets to that level, at the very least it gives you a higher low, because then you're like, okay, you know what, I have a chance. If these candles are constantly giving you brand new low, brand new low, brand new low, there's no need for you to be in that stock, right? So at some point this one will, and then bounce. For now, meh. Alrighty. At some point it will give you that higher low and then pop. Yeah, NUKK is trying to get above the 50 there, $41. See if it does. You can kind of see like MYSZ stalling at 750. There's a tiny supply zone sitting there, 750. HSDT came all the way back down to the 200 as well. So that thing, it's actually halted down. So good job for those of you guys that exited closer to 150. Always. I mean, from $1 to $1.50, almost that's 50%, right? So and there's a supply zone there, and it's a psychological level. So and it was halted. So a lot of reasons why you should be selling that stuff at that price, especially when you notice that it's retracing some of that move. Yeah, get out of there. So for now, you just have to wait and see if it consolidates above $1. Okay, sounds good, Virus. Are you sure you're not running away from the blood? Virus? Oh my goodness. Virus is running away from the violence. Let's go, Virus. I'm kidding. Have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll catch you later. Uh, Butchman? I don't know. Let me know when you find it though, and then we can join you. Okay, let me look at some of these names you guys have been asking for here. Alrighty. He was asking for Vera. Was that the play? Vera. Entat. Grim. Entat. Yeah. And then BNZI. Yeah. Let me scroll back up. I think he said he was in at $2 and what? 272. 272 on this one here. Okay. I just want to see how much of a retrace we've done in this daily candle. So 260 is that bottom. Okay. 260 kind of matches with the previous candle there, which is good. Your entry is quite nice actually, because at that point you're risking 10 cents before you have to get rid of it, right? So I don't mind. Again, Grim is mentioning that this is a potential swing into next year. So for now you just need to break about $3, $3.10 if it wants to go, right? And then your support is closer to 260, 265 really, right? So between that 260 and 265, you should be okay there. If it breaks below, you might have to get rid of it, but for now you're fine. Alrighty, cool. And then the other one was for Jameson, BNZI acquisition stuff. Almost more than Virus. Yeah. Okay, let me pull up this article here. Sign a definitive agreement to acquire. Okay, so the acquiring somebody else, Jameson. Be careful, please. Be careful, please, right? When a company is acquiring somebody else, it's usually seen as a negative. Why? Because that company is spending money, right? In the short term, yeah. In the long term, not necessarily. So for now, though, you can see that over the last 3 days, acquisition or not, it's been tailing at the exact same spot, right? So the last 3 days, it's been failing right against this uptrend. So you can kind of see that little green line that's forming there. It's been failing right there the last 3 days. And funny enough, we have a line here. So we might have looked at this thing in the past. We probably have, right? And it's failing right at that line there. So if I was interested in this thing, Jameson, I would wait for it to close like maybe a smaller time frame, but just close the candle above like 180. If it does, then okay, cool. Maybe it's starting to break out, right? It might not be bad, right? Like it's coming off a beautiful bottom, right? Like that was a beautiful double bottom there. But then again, you can see the last 3 days, right? It's been struggling right there. So if it can break out, maybe then that momentum will start to come in, um, and then you can go from there. Alrighty. HSDT is on halted, guys. It really needs to consolidate above that $1 if you're interested in it. Alrighty. So yeah, watch. Maybe just set an alert for that, Jameson. It's not a bad name. It just needs to break out. It just needs some volume and it needs to break out. That's it. Damn. Spy came all the way back down, guys. All the way back down to the level that I was at. All the way to the abyss. All the way. Is it gonna go from green to red? Well, I mean, from like red to deeper red though. That's the question. That is the question. LYT kind of looks like it's trying to consolidate above $1.85. So maybe there might be something interesting there. And then NUKK Dengi, that thing said, oh, he wants in. Leave him behind. Yeah, $44. You took a tiny at 188. I like it. Yeah. So a little bit of, you can see the selling pressure die down a bit, right? It doesn't mean that it's going to go back up. But at the very least, honestly, when you're gonna gamble, at least like look at these candles, like look at the fat red candles, and then look at the candles here, right? That just means to me that your risk is a lot smaller than it is when it's dropping like this. At least you can see that you can see that the selling pressure slowed down for a little bit. It doesn't guarantee anything because you're still at the bottom and you're still below all the moving averages, and this is really not a curl. But at the very least, you should be safer. Yeah, you know. AEMD, yeah. Let's go. Let's go look at the bird flu, guys. The bird flu, AEMD. Which one did you get into? Did you rotate to ISPC, Grim? I think you did, right? Something like that. Something like that. That was actually a nice retest to 52 cents. Quite nice, actually. AEMD. What's AAPL? APPL? What's your question? No. Okay. You rotated back to this one? Skeletron. The scalper machine. Yes, sir. Na, 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 na. Perfect. Perfect. My size sounds like a what, Mike? My goodness. Don't judge people's sizes, please. No judging. Very nice. Yeah, looks like TAOP wants to break out as well. Wants to break that 80 cents and stay above. Yeah, APPL. I'm not sure what your question is, so let me know, please. HSDT. Yeah. The only thing you had for this one was a run at the open, Jordan, and then straight to the abyss, and it's halted down again, right? Yeah. Yeah, those are your bird flu stocks, Jameson. So TAOP is not quite closing above 80 cents yet, so it's gonna need to. BNZI still, well, I mean, again, Jameson, just keep an eye on that thing. I thought it was a 1 minute time frame, but no. You can see though, right? LYT is just consolidating at the bottom there. It's kind of building a demand zone, which is good, but it's gonna need that buying pressure to come in, right? Sometimes I hate getting into stuff like this because yes, it's consolidating and then it drops again because the buying pressure never comes in. Um, yeah. So, but it does look like it's consolidating. So hopefully it does pop here for those of you guys getting in. Hopefully, and we will see 191, 192. You need like a fat green candle to come in and take this thing above the 9. Just send it, you know. Yeah, I mean, if you got in this morning closer to the 200, you'd be happy. Closer to 50 cents because now it's at 72, right? A Mac. AQB. And my size is also just sitting at that double top. So $7.50 is what it needs to break. The last 2 months, Thor. Yeah, you really have. That's okay though. There goes a breakout for my size. It hasn't closed above yet. Hopefully that candle closes above because it looks like it wants to. Unless they just there it is. That candle has 40 seconds left, so they have a lot of time to bring it back down. And criminals. Criminals. Yeah. Did you get back in that position, Joe? Hopefully. Is it tanking? Yeah, see, that's the problem, right? So, yes, it's consolidating, but it doesn't have the buying pressure coming back in. And that's why we always say, like, hey, sometimes when you're waiting for the curl, at the very least, like, let it break above the 9 again, right? And also, when it's below the 200 EMA, you have a problem, right? If your stock is sitting below all the moving averages, you have a problem. So, yeah, there it goes. So, yes, it is consolidating, but it's also below all the moving averages. So then at that point, you're just making sure that you have a really tight stop loss. The S&P is going to be up and down today, all day long, right? All day long. Maybe this candle will finally do it though. Maybe this is the candle that will push it above and close it above 750. Consolidating in the worst way, yeah. Yeah. So when something is consolidating, you also want it to curl, right? Give you signs that it actually wants to go up, right? Otherwise, it just becomes a pause before the next slap. Again, guys, if you Don, let me know what your position is. If you have a question, guys, just let me know. Like, I'm looking at CYCC because of this and this and this, right? Because if everybody just starts spamming ticker symbols in the chat, we're going to be all over the place, and I don't want to do that, Yeah, it looks like it just kept failing at 80 cents, right? Resistance at 80 cents and then slapped, halted down. But again, the resistance is obvious though, right? Not the first time, not the second time that it failed at that 80 cents. You did a 95 cents wings. Well done. Congratulations. You saved yourself some headaches there. AEMD is looking good. 80% there now. There goes bird flu. Let's go, Kimbella. There goes AEMD. Yeah, it might be. I mean, let's see how the rest of the day goes, right? Because then these names might actually become swings, especially over the holidays. We might hear more bird flu outbreaks. So AEMD, ISPC, and the other ones. Um, ST, yes. What happened, Pavan? What happened? What happened? The S&P is all over the place. All over the place. La, 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 la. No, that's a good way to do it, Virus. Buy the dips and then close your portfolio because you don't want to see the blood that you're. 15% Mac, love it. You sold already. You got in and got out. Nice. Yeah, the candles do move weird though, right? Q living, almost like you have to jump in and out really quickly. And then obviously again with my size guys, you can see that we never closed above that 750, right? So, but now it's a double top. Maybe we're gonna come back with a cup and handle, but until then, you know where that resistance is at. You know where the resistance is at. Resistance. Hmm, okay. Trading view. See, that's not even that much of a dip. What am I looking at, Don? What's your position? What's your question? What's your actual question? Let me know, please. What is your question? Yep, exactly, King. Especially going into the holidays, right? Secure the bag. 10 a.m. So now looks like something came out that was good because we had an initial reaction that was a pop, but then now we're coming back down again, Dan. So you're late, Claudia. That's okay. You're here now. You are late though. Secure the bag. Let's see if that thing gives you a cup and handle. And that's a nasty drop for NUKK there. So, and then same thing with AEMD. Secure the bag. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Let me pull up TNXP again. TNXP. Is it back to 65? Not bad. Not bad, actually. Yeah, looks like it's trying to break out there. Maybe that thing will eventually get back to $1. Hopefully. Hopefully. If you were red in this position, though, I think what you should be doing is moving your stop loss up, right? Like if you were in this thing in the because it crashed the other day, right? After the offering, if you were in this stock from $1 all the way to 30 cents and then it's creeping back up, you should start increasing your stop loss so you don't let it go back to 30 cents. Dogecoin is under 30 cents. Yeah, everything just looks horrible. Everything looks weak. It's to crypto winter is here. I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding, by the way. Send it, Joe. We need a green day today. We need to go from red to green. Red to green. Red to green, Joe. Please and thank you. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, HSDT is still struggling, guys, right? Again, to me, so people always ask, like, how do you know when to get rid of the stocks on your watch list when after the market opens? Well, first off, like as soon as they start breaking below the 200 EMA, I tend not to like them as much, right? So to me, breaking below the 200 EMA is a pretty big warning sign, right? So the analogy we've used when it comes to moving averages, guys, is the analogy we've used. I will for that downgrade. The analogy we've used is think of this as a family tree, right? Think of like the moving averages as a family tree, right? So you have the 9 EMA. You have the let's use let's use the candles, right? So the candles themselves, right? That's what you're trading. The candles, the price. Let's pretend that's a baby, right? So use the candles as the baby, right? A baby is born, right? That's the candles, right? The 9 EMA, that's your meat, like that's your mom and dad, right? Those are the people that carry you when you're initially born, right? So you have the 9 EMA holding you, right? So and then you have the 20, which we could also change that to the kernel now, actually. Or we could replace that with the 50. So apologies. So you could use the other moving averages. So like the 50 or the 20, right? That those could be like your grandparents, right? So if your parents don't want to carry you because they're tired of listening to you cry all the time, they're like, here, carry this silly baby crying all the time, right? So then now you have the 20 or the 50, right? So now, if nobody wants to carry you, well, at least you know your ancestors from heaven. They're gonna watch you, right? So that's the 200 EMA. So you have the baby, which is the candle. The blue line, that's your the blue line is your mom and your dad, and then the 20 or the 50, those could be your grandparents, and then the 200 EMA, those are your ancestors, in heaven. If nobody's watching you on earth, at least somebody can watch you from the skies. So if you break below the 9, that means your parents don't want to carry you, right? If you break below the 50 or the 20, that means your grandparents are like, nah, this baby cries too much, leave them on the ground, please, right? Now if you break below the 200 EMA, that means in heaven, someone in heaven is like, don't worry, God, this baby, there's no hope. This baby has no hope. Don't worry, just leave them alone, let them go to the abyss. That's what happens, right? So if you break below the 200 EMA, that means nobody likes you, not even in heaven. Like, you know, even in heaven, very forgiving. They don't like you. That means you're in trouble. So once a stock breaks below all of those moving averages, meh, garbage. Most of the time, right? There will be times, like I've said multiple times, the only time you buy something that's below the 200 EMA is when it's been consolidating at the same spot for quite some time. That you can actually see that it's building support, and then you take a gamble. But then you set a really tight stop loss because you know it's already garbage, right? So just same thing with this one. Look at this one, right? This one broke below the white line, right? That's the 200 EMA, the white line. As soon as that thing broke below the white line, my goodness, look at this. Nobody likes you, right? Poor baby, right, Amanda? Yeah, look at this, right? As soon as you go below that white line, garbage. Oh my goodness, Kimana. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yep, yep. But I mean, not wrong. So had the moment wing, yeah, exactly. So yep. Once you start breaking below the 9, your parents are like, nah, we don't like this baby. You send them to the grandparents, please. And then as soon as you break below the other ones, the grandparents are like, nah, we should have left this baby. You know. Anyways, so yep, exactly, exactly. Yeah, AQB is an absolute monster there, and then QBTS is looks like those quantum names are coming back as wolves, coming back to life. The S&P is bounced back, so that's good. Looks like that catalyst was good for the markets, Dan. And then Bitcoin is back to 96 as well. So we are getting a bit of recovery here in the markets. Some recovery in the markets. AQB and halted up, right below dollar. SB, analogies for days. Yeah, exactly. Demon baby. That's what it is. When you buy a stock that's breaking below the 200 EMA, just remember that as you're buying a demon baby. That baby is going to haunt you. So hopefully that helps. Every time you see a stock breaking below the 200 EMA, yeah, just imagine yeah. So if you're going to do that, at least make sure that the baby is sleeping. Basically what that means is at least the stock is sitting in the demand zone and it's been sitting there for a little bit, so you know that it's as soon as the baby starts crying, just leave the baby there and run away. That means it's broken below the demand zone, right? So I'm sure I'm going to find an example, something like that to show you of a stock that's below the 200 already, and show you. So I mean, look at this stock, guys. Look at this, right? Look. So this stock initially broke below the 200 at some point. Let's just pretend like we don't see the left hand side, right? It took like look at how long it took before we actually got back above the 200 EMA. Like look at that white line, right? For days, on days, on days, on days, on days. Before we find God said, you know what, this baby suffered enough. From $1, it finally said, okay, squeeze, right? And then broke below again. God said, you know what, that's enough, that's enough. That's enough. I said you could come back, and then you just decided to do crazy things. That's okay. You can go back to the abyss. Look at this, guys. And new lows of the day, right? So for anybody, if you took that warning sign at the 200 right there, guess what? That stock went from $2.10 all the way to $1.30. Like you almost at 100%. Like you almost saved half of your monies, right? So sometimes when you get warning signs, take them and move on. Otherwise, we're gonna pick you up from the grave. At some point, it's gonna consolidate, but it doesn't look like that time is now. Azu, there goes new lows. Right, that thing is about to be chopped in half since it broke below that white line. So nobody likes you. Anyways, here comes HSDT fighting to come back to test that $1. It's like, you know what? I want to come back. You go. So I bet you what happens is it goes back there and God's like, where do you think you're going? You want to get back above? No, 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 no. So maybe not. That thing's like, you know what? I want to do it. I want to do it. Keep in mind though, this thing broke below the dollar and lost 20% before coming back, right? So a little bit of consolidation, a little green demand zone, right? So like I said earlier, if you're ever going to buy a stock that's below the 200, you should be looking for demand zone, right? Green zone, green zone. Otherwise, you're just asking for violence. Green zone. And what? And thrust. And you would read the book and found out that it had nothing to do with the title, you know? Yeah. How to trade like a baby. I like it, you know? I like it. I like that title. Exactly, Amanda. Looks like that thing came back and halted down Grim. Yeah. Halted down immediately. Yeah, it's always difficult though when it halts at resistance, right? Yeah. Yep. It's always difficult when it halts right below $1 because then you just never know which way it's gonna go. King BBRG. What do you mean? So that's when you want to join us in Discord Wings of Liberty? Is that what you're trying to do? Okay. It's not enough of a dip, is it? Just come join us, Wings. Just come join us now, right now. Otherwise, I'm going to send Grim to come find you and Dan. Spy, spy, spy. Win red to green, Joe. Red to green, please. TNXP still needs to break above 65 cents. 65 cents. And look at what HSDT is doing, right? It's still struggling with that 200 EMA. Okay. So, needs to break above that. Yes. Don't make us find you. Because we will. At least you're getting good volatility today, though, Joe. Hopefully, Dan is cooking too. Cooking Dan. You need more discounts? I don't need more discounts, please. No more discounts. We need to go from red to green. My size has a little double bottom at 580. See if we can create a bottom there. Let's go, Mr. Chairman. Buenos dias. Happy Friday to you as well. Happy Friday. Yeah. You take the gains on a winning trade, but you don't do the stop loss on a losing trade. Well, I mean that's what most people do. You know, when they see monies, they're like, "Ooh, let me take the money because I've been losing." But then when they see losses, they're like, "Nah, bro. Nah. What do you think I'm gonna do here? Sell? No." No, thank you. ISPC. What's that one doing? Stalled. Kind of looks like these bird flu names just go back and forth. Like they just rotate volume. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it's a cycle. It's a psychology thing, Luna. It's when you see $5, you're like, dang, I want to take $5. But when you're losing $5, you're like, no, I'm losing $5. Why would I want to do that? Why would I want to take a $5 loss? Let's go, Mr. Chairman. Let's go. Let's go. Absolutely. Is a LYT curling? I mean, it looks like it's creating a demand zone. So it would be nice if we came back for a second retest, though. Would be nice. Second retest. Exactly. Exactly, Joe. It's all a mindset thing. I feel like the market was made and the biggest mindset scam, Shish. And then you see minus 500, you're like, nah, it's too late now. No way I'm about to take a minus $500 loss. I don't even make that in a full day at work. Why the hell would I do that? And then it gets bigger. And then you see a $10 gain, you're like, yeah, this is, I could go to McDonald's with this. McDonald's. You start to plan all the things you could buy. At $10, you're like, this goes up another. Oh, yeah, that's a Lambo. What color Lambo, though? But what kind of Lambo? $20? Damn, I could buy two Lambos at this point. TNSP? Yeah, TNXP. So close to 70 cents. So close. Jameson, 76? Yeah, I have it on the other screen, 175. Supply. Exactly, Joe. Exactly. Yep. And all the money's gone. BBLG. Was that the one you posted in the swing channel? That was it, right? Sheesh, ISPC just got slapped. BBLG. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Slow and steady. Wait. Uh, I'm about to fly to Australia. 109 Grim. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wait. Is that from? That's not you though, right, Grim? That's just like as an example. Yeah, exactly. I was about to book my ticket to Australia. Right away. uh, oh, six. Oh my days, Grim. Grim was counting Lambo, guys. Grim was like, huh, if I just let it go a little bit. See that's difficult though because it halted and then unhalted and dropped immediately and then halted right away. So in the span of like 2 seconds, that thing was done, right? So pretty hard to react to something like that. That's why it's really important though to set that stop loss when that stock is halted, to set that stop loss right below the current halted price. Because to me, if a stock is halted up, I expect it to open higher and go, right? So for some reason though, if it opens below the current price, I almost expect it to hold down immediately. So that's why I always recommend like having that stop loss, like right there off the EMA. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's see if you get a bounce there though, Grim. Yeah, from $6,000 in profits to $3,000 redness. Don't worry though. Wow, HSDT actually did a good job of like retesting the kernel and coming back. Came back above. He is. He is. You did at a dollar Q? Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above $1. See if we can stay above. The S&P is trying, so is Bitcoin though. Bitcoin's almost back to 97, so pretty good comeback. I want problems, always grim. Yep. Not quite at the highs of the day yet for SPY, so SPY needs to get back above 585. Bunny, yeah, Bitcoin does look nice. Hopefully we can recover over the weekend at least. So people can celebrate Christmas with Bitcoin over 100K, you know? Ridiculousness. Ridiculousness. NVIDIA. Yep. Yeah, NVIDIA was very strong yesterday. Very strong. What's the bottom for this one actually? 9. Okay. So we recovered fast. Yeah. Yeah, the names that people like tend to recover really quick. The names that people like tend to recover very quickly. E20, open at 4. There you go. On Palantir since Monday, that's okay, right? If you're making money, that's okay. BBLG, that thing needs a bit more volume and then go from there. Yeah, it looks like LYT is coming back to retest that double bottom. So if they can stay above that double bottom and consolidate and curl, that might actually be a good thing, right? For LYT. But you can see though, like when a stock is below the 200, it's more problems than it's not. So for now though, watch $1.25. Watch $1.25 for this thing. If it can consolidate, maybe that'll give you a double bottom. But just be aware that's gonna come with headaches. Hopefully not, but for a second chance, exactly will. Like please, pretty please. I promise if you let me go up, I promise I'll be a nice baby. No more crying from me. That's what it's asking for. My size came close to the 200 EMA and they said, no, my size. No, your favorite. Your favorite still. Don't go below the white line. Otherwise, you're going to die. Like, oh, yes, yes, please. Yes, please. This one's been rejected at the 200 hard, but it's forming some support at the demand though. 54 cents. That thing said nope. Again, wait for that thing to consolidate and curl first, right? Otherwise, you just catch a knife. Catch a knife. So there goes new lows of the day. Uh, was it hard to trade in pre-market? Um, it just looks like it was just pumping. It was just pumping onto the very top before it came back down, and then lower highs after that. TNXP is still playing with 65 cents. That level is a magnet. Kara has actually been a nice swing for anybody that's holding it longer at TK. Very bumpy. It just depends on the time that you got in. Then onions. Did you make money though in that thing? Some of these tech stocks are coming back nicely. Very nicely. Wait. Oh yeah, Spies pushing it there. Wait. Why is there a gap in that chart? Wait, what the hell is that? And you know what's funny? Is I have Heikin Ashi candle, so that gap shouldn't be visible. What the hell happened? Something just happened. I don't know what happened, but something happened. Unless this is just a glitch from TradingView. I mean, I know we were asking for red to green. It looks like we're gonna get red to green, but something happened there though. I don't know what it is. Huh, interesting. Very interesting. No gap on yours, so maybe it's just a glitch on mine then. Maybe it's just an imbalance and then it created a gap, which is fine. Yeah, might just have to refresh then. In the next 2 years, I think Wall Street, I think, yeah. I think you're going to be happy with that position, hopefully. Everybody's loading up on AMD. Yeah, so red to green today, guys. You saw it on yours too, Dan? Yeah, see? Joe? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but 5 minutes ago there was news. But that has nothing to do with the markets though. That's a pretty solid bounce. Very solid bounce. AMDY Yogi, love it. Yeah. Pump the markets. We want to see green today, Yogi. Like this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. 2 days ago we were at pushing for 608. Now we're sitting at 585. I'm kidding by the way, but Azul, okay. Handle to 139. Yeah, that's if it breaks above $1.08 and closes above it, then yes. Stifler, yeah. Agreed. There goes TNXP, still trying to break out. Dang, 50 cents, guys. We're about to go from red to green. Love it. Love it. Santa's like, you guys want red to green? I give you red to green. Again, today is going to be volatile, guys, with the witching. So maybe that was their intention actually to open up all the way down, give people that false narrative that we're going to keep selling off, and then pump it, which I like a lot. I like it a lot. There goes TNXP, highs of the day, 69 cents. Sheesh, not bad. Not bad at all. Well, coming back, guys. If you bought the dips in SPY, type in yes in the chat. If you bought the dip in anything, type in yes in the chat. Uh, let's see. Oof, we just did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Hooray. In anything? Yes. Claudia? Yeah, there you go. From red to green. Love it. Let's get back above 590 now. Yeah. Jameson, QQQ calls. Love it. No. Well done, King. 40% random stuff. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah, now we need to get a 1% green day, 1% green day is what we need. Love it. Even crypto's looking good today. Well, I mean, looking better than what it was earlier. So, oof. No puts. Otherwise, anti Jericho. Antat. There we go. Yeah, sunset rally. I mean, might as well. Let me zoom out again here. I just wanted to see that gap, but very interesting. Bitcoin looks really, really nice. At least coming from 92 back to 97, so that's good. It did, Dan. It did. It did. Man go is the yeah. Make sure Luna secures some King. Drag Luna with you too. Yeah, no, if you bought the dipskis, you're smiling because that's a pretty nice recovery. Nah. Oof! It's cooking. Somebody brought the monies in, guys. Somebody brought the monies in. They're like, you know what? You know what? That's enough. That's enough of this rubbish. No. Volume alert. Yeah, on the wrong direction though, Yogi. Oh, unless it stays above 45 cents. Yeah, see how that thing just kept failing at the 200 there? The ancestors were like, nope, nope, you shall not pass. Nope, you shall not pass. Slap it. Yeah, maybe off 45 cents. I still like what MYSZ is doing here because it's still holding that 200 and creating a demand zone. Right, so MYSZ isn't quite done yet. Yeah, unless you sold that thing immediately at the open, Dan, right? Which you had because it opened at like pretty low, so you would have made money, but you had to get rid of it though. Had to get rid of it. Sheesh! Look at Spygo, guys. Oof, 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 oof. Beautiful. I bet you some of you guys are gonna be saying later your account went from like minus 20,000 to plus, right? Yogi, that's gonna be you today, by the way. It's gonna be you. Stifler? I mean, you would think so too, you know? Oof, oof, oof. Vira with a bit of a bounce. Should be green there, Grim. Yeah. Sheesh. This is crazy. You are Yogi? See? Yeah, you're down 5 to up 12. This is a pretty nice pump. Grim? Yeah, that's a pretty nice rally. I want to see a 1% day though. You left money on the table for sure. Look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine holding some my goodness, 10 contracts and then running to the bathroom and coming back? That's a nasty pump. Shish. If you had a short position and you're like, it's gonna come back, right? It's gonna come back, right? You were entered. Four hundred, 640%. Did you get rid of it? Was it just spy calls, Dev? Spy calls. Yeah, TAOP is back to the bottom again here, Yogi. So yeah, that volume coming into the downside is not exactly. Well done. There you go. Not in, yeah. Yep. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Thank you, Dan. In the money, good thing the for next year, yeah, you have a lot of time then. Lots of time on that. Small scalpies, yeah, that might be a good gamble at that spot for you, Grim. Spy puts, yeah, that's the first red candle we've seen in the last 10 minutes. But it's not actually closing green red yet. So let's see if it does. Maybe if it does, then it's gonna end up getting slapped. So yeah, not a bad gamble, especially after that run like that. Here it comes. Here it comes. Deep, 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 deep. Do you think we need to? Yeah, you do. You do. Yeah, the supply zone gets a lot, a lot more darker at 70 cents. So yes, you do, lighter. What's your position for? What's your position in TNXP? What's your position if you have one? First buy? Well, not yet. Unless that's just a nine EMA retest. OPTX. OPTX. There you go. Onion, did you have a good day today? Green day? Before you head up to work. A very and then you sold at 65. Okay, yeah. Now we need to clear. We need to clear 70 cents. Very small green day. Okay, green day though, right? So not a bad way to end the week. Have a wonderful rest of the day at work. Onions. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Let's go. Green says I'm learning, guys. 20%. Let's go. I like it. Yeah, did you close the position or you stayed in there? You closed it, right? Yeah, that was just a retest of the nine, it seems. Uh, Closed? Well done. Good morning, Saints. Well done, skis. Yeah. Just keep in mind, guys, when the market is moving like this crazy, these momentum stocks will slow down. Right? These stocks will slow down. When the markets are crashing, people are going to take the money to momentum stocks, right? If you notice the last few days when the market's been stalling and or crashing, what's been happening? We've had some fire cooking days, right? When the market turns around and it's like, okay, my turn, let me cook, people are going to start looking at the large cap names now, right? So as soon as we started cooking like this, you could see all the other names. They're like, oh, everybody's like, wait, I need my money. Let me buy a Tesla before we cook, please. Let me buy Nvidia before we cook. It's trying to. It's really trying to. So yeah, off a dollar. That might not be a bad gamble spot for LYT, right? If we can stay above a dollar, might not be a bad gamble. Yeah, my size is still playing games. Yeah, back to retesting the demand zone again. But yeah, let's see what this one does here actually. The more consolidates at the bottom here, Archer, the better for LYT. Maybe that'll give us something. SPY with a bit of a curl there. Bitcoin doesn't have as much vibes as the S&P. TAOP is still holding that 45 cents, Yogi, so maybe it's going to stay above it. You're in at 108. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, yeah. Damn, that thing almost erased all of its gains, though. Shish. Almost all of it. Watch me, Nene. Virus cooked on that SPY pump. He cooked. Well done, Virus. Cooked. Cooked. Don't say that about yourself, Saints. Don't say stuff like that about yourself. Please and thank you. Okay, there we go. You did, Saints? Yeah. I think people just need to get used to not diamond handing, you know? Not diamond handing. Well, let me pull back to 96. Okay, what else here? Yeah, it's stalling a little bit, isn't it? T-Rex. Wonder if that's actually stalling though, or just getting ready for the next leg. Kind of looks like it's stalling, doesn't it? More like a T-Rex, I mean. Yeah, but one of these candles still needs to close below the 9 though. SMCI looks good. Azul, are you playing that? It's still above the 9, so let's see what happens there, Joe. So Saint says I was in at 14 cents, 1,000 shares. Should I ruin my average? I mean, you're in at 14 cents, 1,000 shares. The stock is still about 60 cents. So you've still done really well, Saint, right? If you wanted to ruin your average, you should have done it last week when it crashed at 30 cents, right? It's basically doubled from that low. Yeah, I'm not quite sure yet, Rob. Not sure yet. LYT, is it holding still, guys? Yeah, kind of, right? That thing said, nope. Yeah, we need to wait for Canada to close above the 9 here because that thing is looking weak sauce. I wonder if that's a liquidity grab candle there, though. It is, but I wonder if that's the candle that they use to pump it up. That thing still needs to close above now. And then maybe we can take a, but for now, below the 9, no, stay away from it. Stay away. Let's see. Archer says, wow. Yeah. I mean, again, look at this, guys. Look at that. Where's that white line, guys? Look at it right there. Above $2. From $2 all the way to below one, like testing $1. Testing $1, guys. Yeah, so you want to be careful with stuff like that. And it's about to break below $1, right? Like when your stock goes below that white line, nobody likes it. Look at that, 98 cents. From green to red. So at this point, the stock is garbage, even if it runs at some point. Absolute doo-doo. Yeah, see, SPY is not quite closing below that 9 yet. It needs to if it wants to crash. You took a few puts. Both sides? Okay. Yeah, so there it goes, right? So as long as we keep closing above that 9, there's still a chance there, Joe. Yeah. So when it does close below the 9 though, then it's gonna get slapped. For now, just looks to me like it just came back for a retest. Let's see what it does though. Hasn't made brand new highs yet, so your puts should still be fine. When it makes brand new highs though, those puts is gonna say, Grim, why you do us like this? Why? Why you do us like this? Oh, let's go, Josh. Dearest Hot Trades family. Has anybody watched what is that show called? The Bridgerton? Dearest Rita. Dearest Hot Trades family. I just wanted to drop in and say Merry Christmas. What an amazing year. Our family has grown. Our skills have been honed. For those silly mistakes, we have all atoned. Let's go. Here at the end of the year, have no fear, grab a beer, and let's all cheer. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much for the super chat, Josh. Thank you very much for for your kindness and your support and everything else over the over the last year. Much love, Josh. Merry Christmas to you as well. Let's go. Oh my goodness, Josh. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That's Josh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Yeah. Yeah. If it doesn't break out, you should be okay, Grim. Until it does, then yeah. Dearest gentle reader. Dearest. Let's go. Yeah. Genesis. Yeah. So congratulations if you got gifted a membership from Josh. Josh is the best. Let's go. Let's go. Josh wants me to buy more BTC. More BTC dipskis. Yes, that sounds like a cool name. Very cool name. Yeah, let's go. After that, Archer, yep. Honest, I'm not even kidding. Like, become a gold member, Archer, right? Get a one-on-one, and then go from there, right? Again, if I do a one-on-one, that's something that I will tell you to never touch, right? So, just like we explained today on stream, right? If it's below the 200, be very careful. Unless other things happen, stay away. When I grow up, I want to be like Josh. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So yeah, be let's go, Josh. Thank you very much. So be here on Monday. On Monday. Nero says, hook me up. There you go. There you go, Grim. It's still failing at that double top, so your puts are still fine unless it breaks out. If not, monies. Maybe it's gonna get one fat red candle all the way to the abyss. You know. J Dog says, "Happy holidays, Josh. I appreciate your consideration towards others. Happy holidays. Let's go." La, 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 la. Newer to options, Grim. Yeah, beautiful. Good, good, good. Yeah, as long as you're which you are, as long as you're good with charts, then there's a bit of a learning curve. But after that, you're good because you're relying on those technical abilities, right? To play your options. So you just take some of that knowledge from the stonks, right? And which is perfect because you're playing momentum stocks. When you're scalping those zero DTEs on SPY, you're playing momentum, right? So then you take that knowledge and a little bit of learning, and you're good to go. Dearest gentle Rita. Josh, are you guys going anywhere, or are you just celebrating with like at home, like where you guys all are? Let's go, Griv. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance there. Maybe now that this last candle closed below the 9, that might be it. It might be ready to give you that crash now. So you have one candle below the 9 now. If this candle doesn't pop, monies is coming. If it doesn't, uh, going to be a great holiday? Yeah, yes it is. Yes it is. Does anybody have like any traditional Christmas food that they make? Anybody? Anybody? Traditional Christmas cookings. It looks like they want to close that thing right at the 9. Right there. Yep. Yep. So they're still teasing you, Grim. Yeah. And leaves them but he never shows. I know, Josh. Yeah, so on Tuesday I'm gonna go pick up my passport and stuff. Hopefully I don't have any more issues. So that's gonna be a 6-hour mission just to get a stupid passport. But yeah, we'll see. And bread. Yeah. Cassava. Queen, you have no hope. Lobster clam sushi, sashimi with that sounds like a fun time, Luna. Orange pudding, deep fried turkey. That sounds nice. Just cookies and pies. Yep, that sounds nice. Yeah, they're teasing you there, Grim. Yeah. Mexico. Okay. Come on, what are you gonna do, Spy? It looks to me like they're gonna slap it, but see, we can wait. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Scams. Yeah, they're teasing. A barbecue from a roasted chicken with duck fat and a steak. Woo! Sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Amazing. Yeah, Christmas has to be like one of the favorite holidays for everybody. Yeah, like growing up, we never had all these other holidays for the most part. Like Thanksgiving, we never had Thanksgiving and stuff like that. Halloween, nope. Uh, so for the most part, like it was Christmas. So yeah, tamales. It goes spy retesting the highs, guys. So yup, they did a good job defending it at the bottom there, right? And then pop. So let's see if that candle closes above that previous high. Yeah, there it goes. New highs of the day. New highs. New highs. Yeah, let's see if they actually close it above though. Because then that'll be the confirmation. Confirmation that hey, get out before we come for you. Go, 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 go. ABP, 150%. Nice. La, 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 la. Bring them. uh, go, go, go. So that candle hasn't closed above yet. But you can kind of tell though, right, guys? Can you tell? Like, when SPY is pumping like that, when the markets are pumping, when the big boys are pumping, you notice how all these other stocks that we liked in the morning, they're all just relaxing now. They're like, oh, okay, well, the captain's cooking. Like, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna chill out, right? For the most part, right? You're gonna have one or two names or so. I think the only name that's pushing right now, TAOP is actually still holding that 45. Maybe it's gonna bounce from there. Um, but the only one that's moving for now is ABP, right? I don't know if that one's halted, right? And it's hitting it's hitting resistance there. But for the most part, though, when this stuff like this moves, everything else just relax a bit, relaxes a little bit. Uh-huh. SPY is making brand new highs of the day. Still having a hard time at that level though. Like it's making new highs, but not quite closing above. And there it goes. There it goes. Go 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 go. Shish. Can you believe the S&P was at 580 this morning and then boom skis going for 590? Beautiful. Beautiful. I want to see a close above. I want to see a close above 590 today, and then back above 600 next week. 591. Devin, is what you're looking for. Good. 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 BlackBerry is getting ready to fly. Why does everybody like BlackBerry for some reason? No money is grim. Yeah. So the one thing that we mentioned when we did the options class, grim, is when you play with options, the trend is really important. More than momentum stocks, right? So the trend is really important. So in a case like this, when it's trending up, you want to be like, for you though, that's fine because it clearly resistance and then it broke out, right? So a small loss is okay, but yeah, yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, it really did. It really did. That news came out at the perfect time. Perfect time. But then again, maybe they just needed an excuse, Dan, to pump it. It's good to see some green though. Timba, yeah, all the way back down to the abyss, Spence. Yeah, the trend. Yeah. So if it's going up already, you're looking for dips to go up, right? Or looking for breakouts to continue going higher. Because the days, you can ask Dan, the days where like the market's going up and you see resistance and you try and short resistance, you will find yourself at the bridge really quick, very quickly, very quickly. A head and shoulder, yeah, maybe. Six contracts, 591, got in at 18 cents. Very nice, Kurt. Very nice. Okay, let's go back to SPY there. I'm drinking tonight. Uh, did we talk about covered calls? Yes. Yes, not in great detail because I think we did that already at another class, but I'm sure we did at the end, Bondi. I don't know if anybody remembers. APB halted down, guys. TNXP, meh, right? At least it's bouncing off 60 cents. HSDT, meh. LYT, meh. My size, meh. So most of these names are kind of looking sus. Good morning, Troy. Part of that is because again we've had an amazing week, right? And people are getting ready for the holiday. You know, so yep. Yes, yes. Getting ready for the holiday. Let's see. Search. Do, do, do. You're talking 14? I'll take a look in a second. I'll look in a second, Jeff. But before that, though, before we do that, before we do that, people, before we do that, before we do anything else, come on, you know what to do. The holidays are coming up. The holidays are coming up. It's time to lose some weight, before we get into the holidays. Come on. And slide to the left and slide to the right. And what? Come on. You cannot tell me that you are somewhere today that you can't thrust. You cannot be anywhere. You could be at the dentist's office, at work, at the grocery store. I don't care what you're doing. Put your hands up to the sky, please. It doesn't matter who's looking at you. Come on. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. Let's go. Go to the window, to the wall, when Lambo, to the sun, at night, and what? And thrust. Come on, people. If you're feeling nice, because you've had an amazing year and you're feeling amazing, I'm gonna need you to get on the floor. One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your head, because you're gonna be dripping sweat. Come on. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. And what? And thrust to the window, to the wall. Screw, screw. When Lambo, let the sweat drip, drip, drip. Get naked, make monies, get naked, and what? Go, 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 go. Come on, TK, you're doing the warm. Go, 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 go. And what? And thrust. Let's go. Okay. Thank you, Spider-Man. See you next time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Let's pretend that never happened, guys. My eyes, my eyes. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry, don't worry. Come on. Let the sweat drip, guys. Let's go. Not at the children's park. It's okay. Call the kids to join you. Let them join you. Say, come on, kids. Let's thrust together. Well, I mean, okay, maybe that's a bit sus, but yeah. uh, do the helicopter. Yes. Yes. That's what you need to tell the kids. There goes Spy. Spy's like, yeah, I want to thrust too because the trend is up. Joe? Yeah, maybe don't thrust with the kids. Spy just made brand new highs of the day, guys. Let's get above 590, please. Let's get above the 590. Please and thank you. We need some big gains today. Big gains. Big gains. Leave the kids alone. Yes, the kids will eventually learn. So there we go. 589.90. 50. Keep going. Yeah, everything else looks weak, guys. I think people are basically closing positions for the holiday, right? Um, LYT is coming back a little bit. Finally crossed back above the 9 and the kernel. So maybe this thing can give you a bit of a run, LYT. But yeah, lots of weakness though. Okay, back to Spy here. Yeah, it looks like the play was some calls, Grim. Calls on calls, especially with that last run there. 330. Okay. New year, new bumps. We're gonna win so much. You're gonna get tired of winning. Telling you, Nero, come join us. There we go, guys. 89 in 80. Just get above 590. Devrin, yes. Look at that. You're cooking on those calls, by the way. 720% on those calls. Yeah. Congratulations. That's amazing. Amazing. Next year, Grim. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, no, I need to set up a better system, so we can do like more options, alerts, and stonks and everything else. I think I just kind of slacked at the end of the year because I was like, it's the end of the year already. But yeah. Wait, what does that say? If all Canadian positions fall, what does that mean? Stupid Canada. Parties unite on a vote of non-confidence. The ruling Liberal will be defeated and an election will occur. I mean, they need to vote like right away. Idiots. Anyways, there goes 590, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ooh wee, beautiful. Love it. Yeah, spy calls are printing right now. 595 expire Monday. There is hope. When did you buy those calls? Because you might have to pay yourself a little bit on the way up, right? Yeah, we need that. We need somebody to the Canadian dollar is the Canadian dollar is ridiculous. So 880%, well done. Have you guys looked at the Canadian dollar? What is it, like 69 cents? So let's say I wanted to buy something in the States. Um, it takes me like a dollar 50 almost to buy something that's worth a dollar in the States, which I think is ridiculous. Seriously, Bondi. Seriously. The let's go. You almost at 591. 30 cents away. Jeff, 920%. Congratulations. Let's go. The markets are cooking now. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Mm, I like it. A good. uh, uh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. APTO. APTO. Cooked. Well done. Yeah, if you bought some spy calls on that dip, you're very happy. Very happy. Are you gonna take your gains though, Dev, or you're just gonna keep them? Take the monies and run. 1,000% gain from 18 cents. Whew, beautiful. Yeah, that's why people love YOLO options. Yeah, so you bought them at 18 cents, sold them at $1.51. Congratulations, that's nice monies. uh, from the bottom, HSDT. Yeah, coming up a demand zone. Yeah, it's a double bottom too. So, like I said, if you're ever going to touch anything below the 200, just make sure that it's a demand zone. If not, just stay away from it. Stay away, stay away, stay away. So yeah, let's see if we can get back above the 50, Justin. And then we need SPY to just keep cooking. Next week we need to be back at 600. Monday on Monday. Okay. So like, how red are you, Jack? Because if that's a good comeback, maybe it's you could always like take a smaller loss if you needed to, right? Let me take a look at APTO, guys. Again, we haven't really talked about this one on stream, but it's been getting spammed in Discord, right? So nice little run on this one here. So congratulations if you're in this. Okay, like percentage wise, Jack. Percentage. Like how red are you? Now we just need Bitcoin to get above 100K, and thrust it. To weaken. That's why honestly, like, looking at the other country currencies. That's why you cannot bet against the US. You know, people always say like the dollar is garbage. Honestly, still, it's better than every other country out there. The euro is garbage. Canadian dollar garbage. China money garbage. American dollar pushing strong, strong, strong. So you don't bet against the US. Okay, calm down. 20%. That's not too bad, Jack. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. So at some point, you might just have to say, you know what? Let me consider this. Japanese, yep, garbage. Hi, Jericho. Exactly. It's just the best of the garbage. Yes, inflation, but still better than all the other monies. Crazy, 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 crazy. Oh, that thing came back nicely. Very nicely. That's about it, though, Rusty. If the maple syrup could be like our currency, that would be nice. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Josh. Much love. Have a wonderful rest of the day. And we'll see you in Discord, I'm sure, before Christmas. And we'll be back on Monday. And then I'm sure we're going to slack on Tuesday because then I'm going to be driving. Unless I go later, but probably slack on Tuesday. So we'll be streaming on Monday. Josh, much love. See you soon. See you later. And again, thank you very much for the support, Josh, and the super chat and the memberships. Thank you very much. Yeah, Troy. Yes, 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 yes. That part is true. Let's go. Yeah, bring your friends on Monday. Spy wants to break out again. Yeah. So Grim, you kind of see the idea behind the trend, right? Some days you can like you have the up and downs, but sometimes when the market's cooking like this, yeah, it really cooks. Let's go, Josh. Yeah. Next summer, next summer, next summer. For sure, for sure. Yeah. Let's go. And there goes. There goes your 591, Dev. Congratulations. You should be at 1,000% now. Let's go, Josh. Yeah, today's one of those days that we say puta for losers. You know? Well done. PBM with a bit of a bounce there. PBM. Still some random pops on the momentum stocks. Uh, oh my goodness. I've never seen someone that collectively everybody hates, My goodness. Sheesh. Well, I mean, people need results. Results. Do. What I never understand though is people that go into politics. It just goes to show, like if you go into politics and people hate you that much, like leave. Like what the hell? Just leave. You know what I mean? Like just leave. So when people don't leave and everybody hates them, you can tell like they're not there for the right reasons. For the people. But then the people are like, we don't like you, and then you're like, I'm gonna stay and fight. What are you fighting for? Just in general, not Canada, just in general. 591. You're late, D. It's okay. You had an amazing week, so it's okay to slack. Yeah, Amanda. Yeah, like it's crazy. It's crazy. Whatever. It is what it is, you know. Archer, you know, I'm trying. I'm trying, Archer. I'm trying. Oh, I'm trying. So we don't end up. We don't end up with the. You know. Anyways, any the next person to smash a like is gonna be the 100th person to smash a like. So smash a like, guys. Smash a like. There you go. So whoever just did it, you could say I'm number 100. Julio, there's been a whole bunch of giveaways. Whole bunch of giveaways. It was you, Grim. Unbelievable. You're giving me all the reason to fly to Australia. You know, Australia. And the market's completely reversed. No, I know it wasn't Grim, guys. Bring it on. No, 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 no. Lorena. uh, no. Someday, Grim. Someday, for sure. Someday. Looks like yeah, those quantum stocks are coming back. QUBT. Lorena, you in this one again though, right? Yeah, really good run. Very, very good run. Everything looked like it was dead this morning. That's a pretty good comeback. Wow. Very good comeback. Everybody's number 100. How do you know if you're number one? Because virus probably showed up here first. And SPY just made brand new highs of the day, so the trend is strong. You just have to refresh, Mike, probably. Is it bedtime, Grim? Okay, sounds good. Get some rest over the weekend. Maybe some swings later. Ready? And we'll see you in Discord. Much love, Grim. Let's go. Yeah, absolutely. One eggnog. Let's go. I like it. Peace, Grim. Yeah, no, they saved the entire market today, Lorenda. It was looking very weak. I mean, honestly, how much lower were they going to take it at 580, 578 this morning for SPY? Like, how much lower do you want to go? Like, when was the last time we dropped 6% in like 2 days, 3 days? But, well, COVID. My was yesterday evening, sitting today and just let's go, Troy. Well done, congratulations. More monies in Canada. More monies. To Vegas in the spring. I know, right? Like seriously. Every time I buy something that's yeah. Because I think all my memberships, I don't know if I really have anything that's Canadian. Like all my memberships are all American, right? So every time I buy something that's like, you know, like Canadian, like American, right? And let's say you buy something that's $1,000, right? Let's say a membership is $1,000, $500. Right away, I'm paying $1,500 for something. I'm like, wait, what the hell? Are you kidding me? $1,500? Like it's just ridiculous, you know. We need to go back to those days where, like, you know, one Canadian dollar was one US dollar, you know. Yeah, like it's ridiculous. Ooh, Spy's looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Are you're happy today though, right, Virus? Better day. Okay, you saw those QUBT calls. Nice, very nice. Same with the Aussie dollar. Like, is it weak or strong, Amanda? Then again, like Aussie is basically Canada, but in a different place, you know. There goes SPY. SPY just hit 1% for the day. Beautiful. 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 Yeah, weak. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 12 seconds. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Really interesting to see where the S&P closes today. Really interesting. See if we close. All I'm asking for is for SPY to close above 590. That's it, and then we can continue next week. That's it. Early this morning, all we were asking for was SPY. Can you just go from red to green? It's more than done that. So now we just need to close above 590. Today definitely lives up to that triple witching, name. Crazy volatility. Crazy volatility. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. 98. Let's go in the money. Can you imagine? That'd be crazy. I don't think we get there today, but that would be nice. It looks like everybody just rotated to the large caps and quantum computer stocks, because some of these momentum stocks are just dead for now. AEMD with a bit of a bounce there. Yeah, so people are just playing the themes now. So bird flu, quantum computers, and large caps. It seems. Stop loss on them. Yeah, good virus. Just in case, just in case. Just in case. LAES is not too bad. Not too bad. It's only up 21%, but not bad. It's going to be super slow, though. You're not going to get 100% out of this name, at least not today. But yeah, watch $1.250. $2.50. Good morning, Sly. Hello. Okay. What a week. What an amazing week, guys. SPY just hit brand new highs of the day, which is nice. What an amazing week. My goodness. Right? So momentum stocks all week and then SPY come back at the end. So that's good. 50 to 61. Physio still okay. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. There you go. Lower high. Highs on highs. Highs on highs on highs. Have a wonderful weekend, Sunny. Alrighty, see you in Discord. Well done, Wolf. No crying babies. No crying babies. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna hop off in the next 30 minutes or so. 30 minutes, guys. Then we can hop off and go back to Discord and continue the rest of the rubbish, you know. Then I can go get a haircut too before Joe says, you know, I look homeless because I expect that. No. For you to no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Raven, we have like another 30 minutes. We're just watching the markets cook, so your long term should be printing today, Raven. Printing again. Hopefully, though, guys. Again, hopefully, over the last 24 hours or so, we said this all day yesterday and whenever else, right? When the markets are crashing like this, it gives you that opportunity, right, to dollar cost average into names that were at all time highs, right? Let me pull up AEMD again. So bird flu, pop, pop, pop. The bird flu. So maybe that's the theme going into the weekend. So again, Carry On says, things finally clicked for me this week. Thanks for the community. Discord has paid for itself, and I'm trading with a very small account. Beautiful, Carry On. Beautiful, right? Sometimes it requires a little bit of patience, the right market and this and that, right? But congratulations. So for people that struggle, just always know that, it takes a little bit of time, right? It takes a bit of time. If you're willing to work and trade small, then you might just be okay. So well done, Carry On. And then here comes that 250 for LAES. You do need to get lined up. I know, looking like we came from the woods, from the woods. FRSX, Shima. Okay. So Sly says my AMD calls expire March, and you're up 60%. Ooh, what do you think? Have time? Hold a little bit. Ooh, I'm probably gonna say yes. I'm probably gonna say yes. AMD. I really think the only answer here is yes. Um, but I just want to look. Just that's a pretty sweet pump, isn't it? Pretty sweet comeback for AMD. So congratulations. Everybody's been loading up on AMD. So if you look at a bigger time frame though, you're gonna notice how like AMD's been getting destroyed, right? Like look at this. Like so AMD when it comes to the upside, like we came from what? Let me just go. Like last once let's just call it 170 all the way to the abyss, right? So, and then it looks like we bounced before we got to 116. We might have hit 116 in pre-market though for double bottom, and now we're kind of coming back. So your question then is, you're up 60%. Should you hold? Let me see here. I'm pretty sure my answer is going to be yes. The only other thing you could think of is just because we're approaching resistance here on a 15-minute time frame. Like again, we're approaching this last level here, right below the 200 as well. So there's going to be some resistance, and then after that, you're looking for like 123.50, right? So then if you're tempted and you're wondering if you should keep it, you could always sell like half of that position, right? Or you could sell like 20% of it, like just scale out a little bit. So then you know that, okay, even if we do dip, you're going to be fine, right? So if you stay in there, you're probably going to be okay. But if you're tempted and you like the monies, then just take a little bit off the table, right? If you were thinking about selling all of it, maybe just sell half of it then. But you have a lot of time, lots and lots of time. So, but there's going to be resistance there though. So if that's something you're thinking about, maybe you just say, okay, thank you. Resistance anyways. Let me just MYSZ just had a nice little pop there of that demand zone, right? So again, right, what did we say earlier, guys? Right, if you're going to touch a stock that's below the 200, it better be in the demand zone, right? So at least you have a chance. So a bit of a balance there on my size. Sly, hopefully that answers your question. Hopefully. Did you get an accident? No. So you got gifted a membership. So what you can do with that membership is you can watch some of the educational videos on the channel, right? So now you have some content, some educational stuff that's going to help you. If you want to upgrade and join us in Discord, do that, right? They might not even charge you because it's an upgrade, or you just get a discount, right? You get the discounted price of that membership you got gifted. That gets taken off the price of you upgrading. Then you only pay the balance. So take advantage of it, in my opinion. In my opinion, take advantage of it. Alrighty. Yeah. So just click on that join link and then upgrade. Again, sometimes people upgrade and they don't get charged. At the very least, you just get charged the difference. So yeah, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. And Spy is looking for brand new highs again. Brand new highs again. Yeah. Your gut says hold. No. Sounds good. No. Just there you go, Spy. Brand new highs. So lots of strength. Lots of vibes, guys. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Pump a flush. Yeah. Keep going, Joe. Keep going. Here it comes. Yeah, if you missed the dips, oof, you played yourself on that. You played yourself. If you missed the dips, SPY at 580 to 590, 593. Yeah, you missed the dips. I know there are always people saying, "Oh, but like the dips. What if we dip more? What if that's why you dollar cost average? Because stuff like this happens, you know." And then you're like, "Dang it! I wish I bought the dip." The market's like, "Oh well, see you next time. See you next time. Come on, Santa, let's go." Kimbella 2 times, 3 times a daily goal. Kimbella has been on fire, guys. On fire. 3 times a daily goal again today. So do that consistently, and then you can say, you know what? Okay, maybe I can increase the goal, right? But honestly, just keep the goal the same and keep cooking. Made it to break even. Let's go, Jack. Well, come on. Congratulations. Well done. Good job. Well done. Well done. Did you close the position then? No, 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 no. 250. Nice, Justin. Nice. Here comes that 93, Joe. Very nice. Very nice. Dan, are you back in and playing some NQ longs? Are you back in? Or just watching for now? Monies. Monies. IWM, QQQ, QUBT. My first time see all my positions green. Sly. Beautiful. It is nice, isn't it? Very, very nice. Yep. When you buy dips in good names, they will come back, right? When you buy dips in companies that have done well in the past, they're gonna reward you. When you buy dips in garbage, uh, after a month, Change of gains, Kimbella. Okay, yeah, yeah. For you need to chill, Joe. Yeah, yeah, you need to. You need to just. You need to. Yeah. 597. So, did you do that on purpose, Dan? 697 for a short. I don't mind. That's gonna be September 2025, Dan. No, 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 no. Yep. Oh, NQ. Okay. I'm planning on joining your team next year. Do I need any special software? What are the prerequisites? No, you don't need any special software. You just need to become a member on YouTube, and then um, and then and then um, and then you get the link to join us in Discord, right? So you don't need anything crazy other than like what you're probably using already. So yeah, why next year? Why not just join now? Why next year? Let's go. There goes Spy Guys 93. Ooh wee. End of the day. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, there you go. Ooh wee. I want to see a 3% day today on Spy. 3%, guys? Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. New year, new me. uh, yeah, I always find it funny when people say stuff like that. It's like new year, new me. Get that rubbish out of here. If you're ever gonna make a change in your life, you just have to do it now. You know, you have to start now, right away, right away. Let's go, virus. What's causing the run on Palantir? The entire market, everything, right? Everything in the markets, every single thing, right? Crashed 2 days ago, crashed this morning, and then coming back, right? So yeah, everything is causing a Palantir to go up. Sheesh, what a beautiful bounce in the markets today. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I know. Some people needed this bounce today. Everybody's long-term portfolio needed this bounce. Even though a lot of you guys are still up like a lot because SPY is up, 20 something percent over the last year. We still needed this bounce, You have a few things not pumping. King, probably because they're just momentum stocks, right? We're talking about large cap stocks, large cap, mid cap stocks, not momentum stocks. Uh, is no more. No one knows. A new man lives in his stead today. Love it. Here goes 594. Ah, virus. Especially this morning, Especially this morning. I woke up this morning and I was like, damn. Sheesh. Spies at 578. What the hell? Where the hell am I gonna get more money to buy dips? Uh 80% slide. Oof. They expire Jan 17. I mean, you have a whole bunch of positions that are up nicely, so you have a lot of time. A lot of time, right? I think the closer you get to 100%, sell half slide. So the closer you get to 100% in these plays, sell half, and then you're riding on free monies at that point. right? Because you are nervous. To me, when someone's nervous about a position, that also means they're happy with those gains. You're nervous about losing those gains. So to me, protect the monies, right? And also, you're going to have other green positions anyway. So if you secure the monies, you're still going to be happy. Lorena, I said this. So I went to bed. Exactly. Exactly. So I was about to, go into credit card debts. But, anyways, you know how they say don't over leverage to buy dips? I don't care. I want dips. I want dips on dips on dips because these days they're very rare to come, it seems. Dan, don't short the trend. Don't short the trend. You will be entered. On SPY after break even. Genesis, there you go. Yeah. Jericho, why not? I mean, at this point, you could basically sell and take your monies and write free monies, you know? The trend is your friend. Yeah. You short this, you get entered. Damn, we're going to end up going up to 600, huh? I don't mind. Just keep pumping it. We've seen enough violence, you know? Follow the trend and then boomskis. No, you're fine. It's a long term because most are young. Exactly. Yep, Mark. Seriously. Uh, no, 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 no. 77.57. 72. Beautiful, Luna. Well done. Secure pennies are preventing me from getting real dollar gains. Exactly. Exactly. You want to be quick to sell when it's going down, not when it's going up, right? Especially if you don't see any warning signs, because you just end up getting rid of stuff. There you go. Dan, yeah. At some point, we're gonna dip though, probably, but hopefully that's just a dip to keep going higher. You know. I realized there's no one. Miranda. uh, yep. I was like, damn, I don't even have a savings account anymore. Oh my goodness. So where the hell is this money supposed to come from? Sheesh. No monies. No monies. Yeah. Yep. No one. No one, Ty. Then you're like, oh well, you already have enough dips anyways. So we pump, you're gonna be green. Sheesh. My goodness, look at that thing go. Look at it go. Um, yeah, that's crazy virus. Like in, out, in. Yeah, honestly, it's just it's difficult. Yep, exactly, Lorena. Exactly. Do, 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 do. Go, go, go. We want to see 595 and then we want to see pushing for 600, you know? The best loser wins last week, and I started seeing it differently. See, that's what we've been trying to tell people in the market, you know? We keep trying to tell people this exact same thing, right? Carry on says, I read the best loser wins last week and I started seeing things differently, right? I see how I was making huge mistakes in the past by playing scared. Exactly. Like, if you're okay with losing, which is funny, right? That's why I keep saying, like, in order to be good at trading, you almost have to reverse the way you think, right? Humans are not programmed to lose in any aspect, right? You're just not programmed to lose, right? But if you're okay with losing, you can actually do well, right? Because the people that are okay with losing are going to take that $5 loss, that $10 loss, that $100 loss, right? The people that are not okay with losing, they're going to sit there and say, yeah, $100 is too much, $500 is too much, $1,000 is too much, and then they just keep losing more, right? Exactly. No kidding, Troy. No kidding. Like, if you're okay with losing, you can actually do well, right? So I'm glad you read that, and I'm glad it helped you. We have the screenshot here, right? Like, look at this, right? We keep showing this screenshot because for a reason. The secret to winning big in the stock market is not being right all the time, but to lose the least amount possible when you're wrong, right? You have to be okay with losing, and then take that small loss. So if that's the one thing you can learn and go into next year with, that's really going to help you out. You know, take that into next year, and you're going to cook. So, yup. You are going to cook. Alcohol, painkillers, and a dark room. Let's go. Have a wonderful weekend, Justin. Alrighty. See you in Discord. Much love for the compliment. Get them a nice Xmas gift. Yep. You want to be okay with all of that stuff. HSDT with a nice little pop there, Justin. Good job on that. Good job. Let's go. Yeah, absolutely. Come join us. Become a goat. Mr. Chairman, yeah. So you have to reprogram, rewire your mind, 60 plus AEMD. Let me pull that up. It looks like LAES failed that 250 resistance, which is not a surprise. Not a surprise. I like it a bit better, closer to 50 cents. I like it a bit better, closer to 50 cents, King. Yep. Yep. Uh, Swing for the fences. One of the greatest hitters of all time. Yeah. You don't want to be doing that, right, Mr. Chairman? So absolutely, look for those base hits. The home runs will come. Because as you're swinging the base, as you're swinging, you're like, oh wow, that's nice contact. You know what? Let me keep swinging this. Let me see if that thing goes over the fences. And then all of a sudden, you're like, oh yeah, GME. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, look at that. 81%. Nice. Very nice. Moody's cost average is 430. How's it looking? Let me take a look. Moody's MCO. Moody's Corporation, $430. I mean, it's looking good in the sense that it crashed already and it's bouncing today, right? Just like the entire market, right? And the good thing about this one is your average actually is below the low that it's in for the last 3 months, right? This is the daily chart, by the way, right? So this was back in October, right? Bounce. November, bounce. December, obviously, and then bounce, right? So some really good support at 455. Really good support, 455 ish. So yeah, it looks good today because the entire market is bouncing. So yeah, that's nice. Hopefully it keeps bouncing for you. Yeah, this is a 1 minute chart, so it looks exactly the same like the S&P, right? Isn't Moody's the company that like grades the US and company debts and stuff like that? Like a credit system? Yeah, credit. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, yeah, credit rating. Yeah, yeah, like bank credit rating and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's very cool. Yeah, so it's moving along with the S&P then. Moving along, very very cool. Yeah, perfect. Send it, GME. Send it. Give Azul some monies for the weekend, so Azul can go dancing. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Are you guys basically done for the day or still scalping? Was everybody just watching the long-term print monies while you smile? Uh, let's go, Jack. Well done. So out of SPY, 1.5% your daily goal. Unbelievable. Got to get some work done now. Congratulations, Jack. Well done. Well done. Uh, Edible is popping. Looks like people are getting ready for the weekend. Getting ready for the weekend. La, la, la. There you go. You out of Palantir, Virus? Yeah, well done. It's going back up, Amanda. Amanda, come join us in Discord. I know you were feeling overwhelmed, but you just need to stay in one channel. Stay in one place, Amanda. Okay, let's see here. 1.4. Interesting how that doesn't update actually. Lock in the gains. Lock in the gain, Virus. There you go. Yeah, it looks like we're dipping now. The market's like, well, you guys are leaving me. Not yet. Not yet, markets. Not yet. Let me look at Edible though. Did you FOMO into that thing, Yi? Did you FOMO? It's always crazy to go back a few months and look at some of these stocks. Always interesting to go back and look at some of these stocks, and remember how you played them at $1, $2, and then boom ski they're at 14 cents. Crazy. Yeah, that's looking. What's Bitcoin doing? I feel like Bitcoin is looking a bit. Yeah, BTC is not as strong as the markets today. Not as strong, but it's nice that it came back though. So these two charts kind of look similar, except the market's stronger than Bitcoin. Yeah, that thing is just going. So it looks like that next resistance is right there. For some reason, we had a line already at 2250. So it looks like 2250 then. 2250. That's a nice pop though. Yeah, maybe if it can hold and create higher lows. That thing said, there's your 2250. You want some more? I give you some more. Not yet. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So it hit resistance perfectly, right? So this is why sometimes we just leave these lines on the chart because you never know. You come back a few months later and it's the exact same spot. So it's going to need to break out above that resistance, it seems, if it wants to go, go, go. Go, go, go. Uh, Way too many contracts and balance here. Secure profits and exactly virus. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Edible. Well, it's pushing back up. Yeah, absolutely virus. Here goes 22 again. So this one seems to be getting a lot of hype on social media too, actually. You jumped on and off? Like you made money or lost money, Lord? How'd you lose money in that thing? Don't make me find you. 22. It hasn't closed about 22.50 yet, but virus. I'm just staying away, you know. Yeah, just staying away. There you go. Yeah, let's see if that candle can finally close above. It looks like it will. What's SPY doing now? SPY with a bit of a pop there. Bitcoin is not popping at all. Like Bitcoin is weak, right? Like Bitcoin follows the market's down, but it doesn't follow like as aggressively on the way up, which is fine. I'm sure it's gonna have its fun over the weekend. I'm sure. There goes edible. Edible is like, bye guys. Oh, she tweeted? No, I didn't see that. I don't even pay attention to her. Plus, I'm not even interested in that coin. You know, I just stay away from that. Dang, that thing is on fire now. 26 pennies. Oof. Oh my goodness. That thing said, hey, you want to see more? I show you more. Damn. Oof. Cooked. Beautiful. This. What is that? Funded futures. With plan. Yeah, hopefully you secure the monies there. I want to see more, just a little bit more. Yeah, that's a pretty nice pop. Very nice pop. That's nice money, Z. That's very nice money. So thanks, Z, for mentioning it because I saw that thing pop on in Discord, but I never looked at it until you mentioned on stream. So thank you. Again, guys, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out on stuff like this. Once we get up the stream, you're not going to see stuff like this, you know? Are we going to be cooking though? Hell yeah, we're going to be cooking. So if you're not a member, you're missing out. Uh, 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 unbelievable. Anyways, here we go again, 25. Looks like BTC with a bit of a comeback with SPY of the 200 for BTC though. Yeah, well done, Yi. Well done, well done. Monies. Humor. Stupidity, but how much does it membership fee? It depends what level you want. So click the link right there, right above your comment, and it's gonna give you the level. So I would recommend you become a legend member, or if you need some one-on-one time, become a gold member. Alrighty. So click the link at the bot right there from Nightbot, and then look at the levels, and it's gonna tell you. The sold out levels are not available, so don't do that. Righty. So again, if you want to become a member, click the link. Come join us. No, 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 no. And actually made a gain. That one, that you, okay, good, good, Chris. Good. As long as you come back, I'm happy. As long as you come back from the abyss, I'm happy. Not to, King? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You'll be okay, though. You'll be okay. Uh, and when you come back, yeah, like January 6th or something, or like after that. Let me look. Let me look. So the like the let me tell you when I'm gonna be back. So we're gonna be back like next week, obviously, right? Monday. Monday might be the only day we stream next week. Yeah, Monday's gonna be the only day we stream, and then we're gonna do the rest in Discord if we want to. But then we won't be back on YouTube till Jan 6. Yeah, January 6. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's gay. It's the holidays, virus. It's the holidays. We can't be streaming when the market slows down, like all December, and then starting Jan with all the holidays. Did I say that out loud? Yes, you did. Yeah. Also, I just kind of need a break, from yapping all day. I just need to. There we go. Perfect, fixed. Yeah. So if you took your monies and ran, guys, that's all today's about. Take your money and go from 27 cents, guys, to 20 cents. Meh. Take your money and run. Right? And then maybe it's gonna hold 20 cents and go again. Hopefully. Yeah. No. Yeah. And again, Ty, for anybody that's not in Discord, we're gonna be in Discord. If the market's cooking, we're gonna be making money, right? So if you're not a member, join us. Upgrade your membership. Whatever you need to do that, right? Because we're not going to miss out on gains because we're not streaming. We're going to be streaming. We're going to be in Discord. And some days we're going to stream in Discord, right? So I know, right? SB, the answer would be no. uh, exactly, virus. Yep, yep, yep. No vacations. I was reading something somewhere. I don't know, as maybe Azul can confirm. I was reading some because I went down a rabbit hole. Part of the reason why like I got the protein, the like fruity protein, and that is judging my protein, like the anti-inflammatory protein. Um, part I was reading something somewhere that like people that talk a lot, which obviously I do, they have like higher levels of like inflammation or something like that. So then I'm like, okay, well, I need protein, and this kind of has like anti-inflammatory, so why not? Let's just give it a shot. And actually, I feel like it's helped. Maybe it's just in my mind, but I feel like it's really helped. So if I can not talk for like end the year by not yapping, then that might be good. Recover a little bit. uh, la, 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 la. Anything else that we like here? Dan, unbelievable. It looks like 20 cents is holding though for what? EDBL. Edible. Looks like 20 cents is holding. What's SPY doing? Meh, SPY looks fine. Very impressive rally. Very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. Unbelievable. Let's do 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Yeah, there we go. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Again, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click the link at the bottom of the chat then. Continues to shine VKTX. Trevor, don't support this behavior, please. Don't help him. Yeah, there goes a pop. 20 cents. Nice. That looks like a double top still though at 26. So just be mindful. 26. $26. Zena's halted up. Wow. Yeah. Zena. Take a look here. Interesting. Well done, Troy. Well done. I see your screenshot now. Yeah. Well done. Yeah, I like the slow and steady. Well done. Congratulations, Troy. Well done. Well done. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will call it a day for today, and then we'll be back on Monday, and then probably done for the year already. So let me know if you have any last questions. La, la. Yeah, that looks like a double top, guys. 26 cents double top. Double tops. Slackers are gonna slack. No, I have to drive 6 hours on Tuesday. Wednesday is a holiday. Thursday is Boxing Day, and then the rest is just more holidays. Dan. uh, no, 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 no last stream of the year. No, 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 no. Not yet. Uh, how's the snow? The snow is snowing. It's annoying. The snow is snowing. There goes breakout. 26 breakout. Next level 27. I think said, let me go, let me go, let me go. SPY is almost at 595, guys. New testing highs of the day here. Look at Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is still at the bottom. SPY is testing highs of the day. Yeah, Bitcoin is pretty weak. Human resources. There goes a breakout there. Edible. That was a good dip back to 20 cents actually. Psychological level, right? And then pop. Did you get back into this thinking? Says Canada is in a recession. Says former Bank of Canada head Stephen. Okay. I mean, anyways, is there anything that Canada isn't in? I'm, I'm trying to be nice, guys. Anyways, recession. Six. Sensonic is at the highs again. Dang. I wonder if those guys will actually, turn it around, Raven, and get above $1 and just become a solid company after that. Maybe, maybe. Sensonic. There goes brand new highs here for edible. Type in yes if you're holding edible in the chat, guys. Anybody holding this? Edible? The edible? I mean, Dan took some edibles, but I don't know if he's probably he's uh he's holding some edibles. 30 cents coming for a while since, okay, 29.60. You're holding Julio? Okay, nice. Congratulations. 30 cents. Whew. Yeah, just be careful at 30 cents. That's your next. You just sold, Patricia? Well done. Congratulations. Nice. What did you get in at? What did you sell at? Uh, went back up. Yeah, it just went to retest 20 cents though, right? That was a big run without a dip too, King. So it had to dip at some point. Yeah, let's see Spike can break above that double top there. 595. That'd be fire. Probably will at some point. Probably will at some point. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Uh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, 30 cents. There it goes, guys. Oof, 31. My goodness. Damn. Shish. 32 is coming. 32. Do, do, do. Go, 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 go. That supply zone gets thick with the closer you get to 32.50, but that's a pretty nice pop though. Again, congratulations if you got into this one. If you're still in there, congrats. That is very nice. Very, very nice. Troy? Yeah, yeah, double top, exactly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, post that too in the options channel. Yeah. The options channel is the one for spy and features, you know? Um, yeah, options cooking lab, Troy. There goes 32. Oh yeah, here comes that 32.50. That's actually quite nice. So again, congratulations. There goes 33. Just like that. Just like that, 120 something percent. Just like that. It's going to destroy all the supply zones. Good breakout. Kind of looks like a nice, easy chart to read too, actually. Very easy to read. Luna, that's the type of stuff for you, right? The 28. Well done, Patricia. Well done. Can I take a look at NCEW? Yeah, sure. That's the one that IPO'd, right? NCEW. This is the brand new one. It's actually done a really good job forming a base, you know? Yeah, that's not bad. So like it's done a good job forming a base at the bottom, right? Right there, and it's also filled for the last 3 days at $3. So at this point, it has to, if it breaks $3, it could do some nice things, but it has to break $3. If it doesn't break $3, also the spread is a bit scary. So the only two times I would touch this thing is closer to this bottom or on the breakout, because the bid is actually $2.30. Even though the stock is saying 290, the ask is 289, the bid is 237. Like the spread is huge, right? So don't just market buy this thing, otherwise it's a problem. So it has to either dip closer to this level or it has to break out, one of the two. If not, there goes SPY breaking out, guys. La la la. Spy. Go 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 spy. Yeah, Zena. Yeah, Zena was posted in Discord there too. Zena. You're going to you're going in on spy calls, so the entire time we've been pumping. What have you been doing, Savvy? I'm kidding. But no, seriously though. Why now? Why after this entire run are you thinking about spy calls now? Right? Right in the supply zone. So I mean, I hope we keep bumping. I'm just saying. Yeah. Unless you have the calls already, then that's beautiful. And then that is beautiful. NITO looks like it's moving a bit. Watch NITO IE. Or you just woke up. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Spy was at 581. 581 to 595. That's a pretty big run, right? 1.5%. So that's why I was just wondering. But NITO, a little bit of love for this one. I think after Edible ran, I think people look for another penny stock. So maybe NITO will. That's okay. That is a okay. A okay. So yeah, looks like NITO is picking up a bit of vibes. See, another thing that I don't like is the spread is a bit open on this one. A little bit of movement. A little bit of movement. Alrighty, y'all. I think we're gonna leave it here for the day. We're gonna continue in Discord. Again, edible still looks nice. It wants to break out, right? But you can clearly see that supply zone, so be careful in that supply area. Be careful in that supply area. Bitcoin again isn't doing much, I don't think, but SPY is failing at 595, so it needs to break above that if it wants to go. MYSZ is just sitting there, not really doing much. TNXP is still just holding that demand at the bottom, 61 cents with TNXP. Alrighty. Dan says, "All right, have everyone have a wonderful weekend. Much love. Don't give back those gains." And I would thank you very much, Dan. I really appreciate you. Much love. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you in Discord and next week. Alrighty, much love. Alrighty, bye then. Let's go. I knew it. I subconsciously I knew it. I'm like, okay, here comes a roast. Here comes a roast. That's too nice. Yeah, where's the roast? And there it is. Stan, Raven, have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Bunny, see you in Discord. Sammy, see you in Discord. Yi, see you in Discord. Alrighty, Patricia, see you in Discord. King, see you in Discord. King, you might have to upgrade your membership, by the way, because I think I gifted you like so you could join those classes. Because you did the giveaway, membership giveaway and stuff. I think it just got upgraded for you, so that's why you could join it. But I think you still need to upgrade to like legend. Alrighty. Visual, have a wonderful weekend. SP, have a wonderful weekend. Troy, have a wonderful weekend. Virus and Thrust, have a wonderful weekend. Love you too, Dan. Let's go. Archer, have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Jay, have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Alrighty. La, 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 la. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Alrighty, y'all. Much love. And catch you guys in Discord. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.